So the Nude by Nature Summer Glow Up series starts with Beach to Bar, look 1. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So this is an amazing look that'll have you from the water to the watering hole in less than 2 minutes using only 4 products. Let's get glowing. So we're going to start with one of my all-time favorite products, which is the Sheer Glow BB Cream. This is absolutely the most amazing tint across the skin. It just makes you look like you've drank lots of water and you've just come from the water, so it's going to be great. And it is the perfect way to clarify the skin without looking like you're wearing anything at all. So we simply smooth across the skin like you would a moisturizer. Now, it's not buildable, so if you're looking for coverage, you'll need to go for a little bit of the Nude by Nature Natural Mineral Cover on top. Now, I've chosen the shade 4 because it is a little bit warmer. This is going to make the skin look like we've got a bit of a healthy summer glow without making you look orange. So not only does it have this beautiful, healthy glow to the skin, it also contains vitamin C and aloe vera, which is great to calm and brighten the complexion. And also no silicone because it's Nude by Nature. We wouldn't do that to you. So step 2 is the highlight palette. Now I love a multitasker. This we're going to use as a bronzer, blush and highlighter all in one. We're going to use it just like so. So I'm going to use it as a bronzer underneath the cheekbones. Think of the number 3. Now this adds that perfect, healthy, summery glow. So the rose on the apples of the cheeks. And then the champagne on top of the cheekbones, down the bridge of the nose, a little bit on the chin. We can go everywhere. So not only do you get this gorgeous glowing complexion with this multitasker, jojoba and avocado, ingredients in there that are going to help the skin look more healthy for longer. Next, we need some gorgeous lashes. So we've got the Awaken Lengthening Mascara. This beautiful thin wand contains a formula that not only has nourishing ingredients in it, it's what we don't have in it that's most important. So no coal tar, no carbon black, ingredients that are sensitizing to the eyes that can make you feel and look terrible about what you're using. Have a look at the difference in the incredible. And last but definitely not least is the Moisture Infusion lip gloss. Now this clear lip gloss, you think clear lip gloss is pretty normal, right? Well, this is one of the only clear lip glosses in the market that's 100% natural, but also doesn't contain microplastics. So most clear lip glosses, in order to stay clear and have that shimmer, contain microplastics. At Nude by Nature, we wouldn't ever do that. So this gorgeous hydrating with beautiful hyaluronic and shea butter gives a beautiful, soft, clear, gorgeous shimmer without any microplastics. So this is the Nude by Nature Summer Glow Up Look 1 Beach to Bar. I think you look pretty amazing.
Thank you. I think I do too.
Using only 100% natural ingredients. So let's go to the bar. What do you reckon?
Let's go. Let's get a drink.
See you there.